Hey Math 1 students, helping you guys out with Module 2 Topic 2 Correctives for Power Standard 7.2, and we will be doing numbers 9 and 10 in this video. So 9 and 10 ask us to graph the equations. So let's kind of scroll over to number 9 first. Number 9 I like because it is already in slope-intercept form. I can see that because I see y equals mx plus b. The slope in this case is 3 over 4, and the y-intercept is at -6. So when graphing them in slope-intercept form, let's start with our y-intercept, which is at -6. So find -6 on the y-axis. Here it is. Now to get the other points, we can just use the slope, which in this case is 3 over 4. Remember, that's rise over run, so we have to rise 3. We have to go up 3. 1, 2, 3, and then go to the right 4. So we would be somewhere right there. And then we can keep going with this pattern. Go up 3 to the right 4. Make another point. Now we can go back to our original point and go the opposite. So instead of going up 3 to the right 4, we can go down 3 and then to the left 4 and make one more point. And here I have 4 points. I'm connect them, and there is my line. So we just graph this equation where the y-intercept is at -6, and we can see that the slope is up 3 over 4. All right, number 10 is a little more difficult. For number 10, we have an equation where it is in standard form. So it's not y equals mx plus b. So what we'd want to do first is change this to look like y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to do that work down here. So we want to manipulate this equation, and we actually want to solve this for y. Now, we know how to solve for y because we've been working with literal equations. So we're trying to get y by itself. So this looks like y equals mx plus b. So first thing I'm going to do is subtract 6x to the other side. That cancels out on my left side. The -2y just comes down. -2y equals 10 minus 6x. I can't actually combine these, so I can just keep them separate like this. Now, depending on your teacher, maybe your teacher has you write down -6 first and then +10. We will switch these later, but for now we'll just keep 10 minus 6x. We'll come back to that. Now, the y on the left side is still not by itself. That means we got to divide by -2 to both sides. And when we do this on the left side, cancels out. We're left with y equals. And on the right side, this is really just the same thing as 10 divided by -2, and then minus 6x divided by -2. So this is all the same thing. So if I did 10 divided by -2, that is -5. And then if I did -6 divided by -2, -6 divided by -2, negative by negative is positive, and that should be +3x. Okay, we have simplified this pretty well. Now, it is in slope-intercept form. The only thing here is that our y-intercept is first. So I can just switch the order of this and put the 3x first and put the -5 or -5 second. And here is my new equation that I can graph. A lot easier to graph this one than the other one. So we'll go 3x minus 5. So -5 on the y-axis. It's my y-intercept. My slope is 3 over 1. So up 3 over 1. Up 3 to the right 1, up 3 to the right 1. You can see that we have a pattern here where we have a increasing line. And going the other way, we can go down 3 to the left 1. All right, make sure we connect our line, and there we have graphed that equation by changing it to slope-intercept form.